then I drown in you again. 'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy?
Alright, Max, you've had your cookies and milk. Now go to sleep. I'll try. Go to sleep.
Not like that! Sing him a lullaby! Meme, meme, meme.
Heck is this? This girl can't sing a lullaby for crap. I'll show you, beat.
Your turn.
Close your eyes, shut your mouth, meme a meme and get us out. Meme, 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 meme. Hit the hay, fast asleep, meme a meme, you little bleep. Meme, 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 meme.
It's working! Keep it up, Shark Boy!
Let's go! Just relax, lay about, like my fist will put you out. Meme, 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 meme. Take your time, but beware, there is dark